Today is just like any other day that ends in Y, which means we're once again faced with a new Google Pixel hardware leak. This time, the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, and 9 Pro XL are all revealed side by side in fresh images from Rosect, a whole 5 months before Google's usual October launch schedule. It's quite puzzling how these devices are already out in the wild so early, but here we are. I'm sure many of you are eagerly anticipating the regular 9 Pro, which promises to bring Google's top-notch camera technology to a more compact phone. On the other hand, the 9 Pro XL appears noticeably taller than Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max. Just earlier this year, leaked live photos of what seemed to be Google's upcoming Pixel 9 Pro surfaced online, offering us a detailed look at the flagship device and its new pill-shaped rear camera bar. These leaked images left little to the imagination, showcasing the device's rounded edges, sleek frame, button placements, and more. Now the same source that initially revealed the Pixel 9 Pro has shared live images of what might be the entire Pixel 9 series, possibly to be unveiled during Google I/O 2024 on Tuesday, May 14th. According to an unnamed source, the Russian-language website Rosect has unveiled live images of what seems to be the complete lineup of the Pixel 9 series, consisting of 3 devices: the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL. In addition to the images, the site also disclosed some previously undisclosed specifications and codenames. For instance, the Pixel 9 is codenamed Tokay and will come with a 6.24-inch display and 12 gigs of RAM. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL are codenamed Cayman and Komodo, featuring 6.34-inch and 6.73-inch displays, respectively, with 16 gigs of RAM each. While the Pixel 9's display size is almost the same as the Pixel 8, the Pixel 9 Pro has noticeably shrunk from 6.7 inches to 6.34 inches compared to its predecessor. The introduction of an XL model may explain the reduced display size of the Pixel 9 Pro, similar to Apple's strategy with the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro, offering larger 15 Plus and 15 Pro Max for those seeking more screen space. It's interesting to note that although the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro will be similar in size, the Pixel 9 will have slightly wider bezels than the Pro version. All devices in the Pixel 9 series are expected to be powered by Google's Tensor G4 chipset and feature 120Hz AMOLED screens. Google has maintained a consistent rear design for its Pixel lineup since the Pixel 6. However, the upcoming series will introduce a fresh look with a pill-shaped rear camera bar, possibly the only non-mirror polished metal piece on the phone's exterior. Leaks suggest that the Pixel 9 will follow the Pixel 8's lead with a dual rear camera setup, while the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL will feature a triple camera system. Both the devices are expected to have 350 megapixels cameras each, while specific details for the Pixel 9 remain unknown. Images also reveal that only the Pro models will sport a matte back with glossy frames, while the regular Pixel 9 will switch it up with a glossy back and matte frames. Moreover, the upcoming series showcases more rounded corners in photos, resembling the iPhone 15 series rather than the Pixel 8 series. It's important to note that Rosect did not provide any details about the rumored Pixel 9 Fold, except for its existence and Google's work on it. It is likely to be launched separately from the rest of the Pixel 9 lineup. While we don't anticipate the devices to be unveiled at Google I/O, there's a possibility of hints or even a sneak peek at the Pixel 9 series. So stay tuned to our channel for more Pixel updates and share your thoughts on this new design, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Till then, take care and peace out.